Hey, what's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? So as you guys can see, I have a circuit board connected to my Vvdi key tool, and what I'm doing is I'm actually renewing it. So as you guys can see, there's a different color wires. Okay, the yellow one just came off right now, but I got a brown wire, I got a yellow wire, red wire, and a black wire. Okay, so this right here, this remote is for Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep. Okay, let me show it to you. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so you guys can get an idea. Okay, just so you guys know, okay, what it looks like. So that key actually looks like this. Okay, so what happened here was that I ended up using this chip. So I programmed it, and actually I didn't end up using it. So once you program the transponders right here, this is the transponder, you guys. Okay, so once you program this whole circuit board to a vehicle, it ends up locking. Okay, so if you read it, it'll say locked. Let me show you guys. Okay, we have another one right here. Okay, this one's locked. This one I already renewed. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys where to attach the wires on your Vvdi key tool. So that one's locked already. As you guys can see, it says locked. This one I ended up renewing it. It took me a while to figure it out, but if you go to the Xhorse app on your phone, it'll tell you the diagram. Once you click on remote renew, it'll tell you the diagram where they should be at. Okay, all right, you guys, so if you guys haven't downloaded the Xhorse app, go ahead and download it. All right, as you guys can see, I clicked on it. Then we're gonna go to remote renew, the third one to the right. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and click on Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep, which is the second one. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll down to look for our FCC ID. Okay, and it's gonna be the second one, OHT69, okay, 2713AA. And as you guys can see, we have the key up there, and if we scroll down, we see the connection diagram, okay, where we're supposed to connect our wires. So let me go ahead and zoom in. So as you guys can see, we have the 4 different color wires. We have the SCL, which is the yellow one, the SDA, which is the brown one, the VCC, which is the positive, and the black one, which is the ground. Okay, so for sure the black wire is the ground. Okay, the red one is positive. So we went ahead and we attached the black one, okay, to the negative, and then the red one to the positive. Okay, and right here next to this little chip right here, there was 2 gold dots. So we attached the brown wire to the first dot, and then we soldered the yellow wire to this little dot right here. Okay, so like I said, if you guys go to the Xhorse app, it'll give you a diagram of where to connect these wires. If you guys have a Vvdi key tool, it came with this one. Okay, this is to renew the remotes. Okay, all you got to do is get a soldering tool, drop a little bit of solder on the negative, on the positive, and attach the wires. Okay, there's 4 wires. The white one, we're not using it right now. Okay, we're only using these 4: yellow, brown, red, and black. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the yellow wire back to that little dot right there. Okay, as you guys can see, there's 2 dots. There's 1 dot here and another dot here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already soldered the yellow wire again because it came loose on the little gold dot. Okay, so I actually broke my head trying to figure this out for a while, but I finally managed to get it right. Okay, so there's 2 little gold dots. The brown one goes to the bottom, the yellow one goes on top, and these are really easy to connect. Okay, the red one's positive and the black one's negative once again. So now we're gonna go to remote renew. Okay, on your Vvdi key tool. From the main menu, we're gonna go to remote renew. Okay, you guys, they actually sell adapters, so I don't know if it'll make it easier for you to buy the whole adapter, but since I don't have money to buy the adapter right now to renew the remotes, the little adapter's like a little black piece. You put them on the little black piece, and it aligns it pinpoints the little where it needs to be soldered on the machine. So there's like little metals on it. So when you put it down on the metal, it automatically does this for you. Okay, so back to this thing. So we're gonna go to remote renew. We're gonna do Chrysler and Jeep and Dodge. So this one, these are the same FCCs, okay? So for this one, I'm gonna click this one, OHT692713AA, okay? So I'm gonna put enter, and I'm gonna press right. As you guys can see, it's writing data, and it went all the way up, you guys, to 96. Renew success. Wow, you know, I'm really proud of myself, you guys. It took me a while to get it down, but I managed to actually do it. So this is something new that I'm learning right now, okay? So let me show you guys that we were able to renew our circuit board once again. So now we're able to reprogram it once again, because like I said, when you program it to a vehicle, it automatically locks it. Okay? Bear with me here, you guys. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. So we have our circuit board in there with our chip, and then we're gonna read it, and it should say unlocked. Perfect. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Beautiful. So if you guys are trying to pinpoint the soldering points, like I said, go to the X-Force app, open it up, go to remote renew, and in the bottom is gonna show you a diagram, okay, of where they need to be. Okay, this is where I put them at, and it worked for me, okay? Every remote is different, you guys. Like this one's different too. So now I have to, you know, pinpoint where this one's gonna be at, okay? The yellow and brown one, okay? So it's kind of really hard to figure that out, but I'll update you guys on another remote, okay? So if you guys have any questions, make sure, you know, you leave a comment in the section below. Email me, LILROXX001@yahoo.com. Thank you guys for watching, okay? Make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.